Hey, what's going on there? Leo here. Just want to talk to you about if you're a business owner looking to hire people within your local area. One of the tools that we've been using for our clients has been Facebook. Facebook has been great for my clients to be able to find, to hire people, to find employees. So, for example, a couple of those are have been restaurants. Um, and what we've been doing, right, since we are already running advertising and manage the social media for them, they asked me, Leo, we need people. Can we use Facebook? Can we post this on Facebook? Because obviously they're so busy running like everything around. So, yeah, let's try it. There's a section within the Facebook page where it allows business owners to post a job, and that automatically posts into the marketplace. And that definitely helps out, right, to reach some people because it posts automatically into the marketplace. Something else that obviously help us reach more people is sharing on the groups. Obviously, I'm connected to many local groups in the area, right? I'm in Solano County, I'm in the city of Fairfield, but I'm connected to other groups in the cities of Vacaville. And obviously, depending on where the restaurant is located or the business is located, probably want to stick to the group that is local to that city. If for example, the pay is minimum wage, if the city is not too far, like in a Vacaville situation, it's about 5-10 minutes. That still work, right? But one of the situation that has been working is because obviously this is our minimum wage pay, right? So obviously going through a staffing agency make us it will not be really, this will not work because obviously the staffing agency needs to get their cut. So um, trying to post the jobs and organically get people's attention or spread the word is basically where the conflict is, right? And so that's what Facebook has come in handy for a business owner. Now, I'm not a staffing agency, I'm not an HR consultant, anything like that. Like I said earlier, right? I run advertising and manage the online presence for my clients so they don't have to do it. So that way they have the capacity to focus and the time to focus into something else on their business, or to spend that time however they see like to spending more time with their family or in other areas of their life or their business. So again, with Facebook, since we are already running advertising, um, that's another way also we are able to get that job post in front of a lot of people within the area around the restaurant, right? Number one, obviously you post the job and it organically will reach however many people is connected to that page, or other people sharing on their news feed, that will reach some more people. Number two, obviously they share it into Facebook groups, or you can share it on a friend's news feeds. And number three, obviously, this is what has helped us a lot, is just basically run ads to that job posting. We are already running advertising anyways, so might as well do advertising for job posting. And number four, I forgot a number four. So we have a list of people for that restaurant, right? That restaurant has a list of customers that decide to subscribe. It gets newsletter from them, and obviously we send the information to them via Facebook messages or via email. Uh, if we collect phone numbers, we could set up something about text messages, and we send information that way as well, that we are hiring. Now, you may be asking yourself, but Leo, why would I send information to my customers that we are hiring? Well, those customers obviously are close friends so to the restaurant, or not close friend, right? But in a small business owner, in a small business owner situation, the community, small businesses are part of a community, so it develops a lot of local relationship. Plus, customers are always willing to help. We haven't had any issues. We send information, and we always say basically, please help us share this information. If you know somebody that it may be looking for a job, please let them know that we are hiring for these positions. So obviously that helps spread the word as well. So hope these tips help you out if you basically are constantly looking to hire people, or um, you're looking to hire at this moment, but have that minimum wage situation, or just over that minimum wage situation. Try is Facebook. Another tool you might want to try is Indeed.com. Indeed.com lets you post jobs for free, but one way that how I use it as well, Indeed.com, I'm not affiliated with it to them, so they're not paying me for this. One way they help me out is basically because I can research, right? It can help me. I can see what other companies are posting about that job, right? The details and also the pay. So that way I can go back and advise to my clients, okay, this is what these other companies are doing and saying about that job, and perhaps this is something you may want to try as well. So if this was helpful, let me know. Uh, Something else I have for you, if you're looking to reach more local customer, I put together a free training. You should see the link above or below this video. A free training where you'll be able to learn the 10 strategies that would allow you to reach more local customers. I tried these strategies with my clients, with myself, and obviously you don't need to try all the 10 strategies at the same time, but try some of those, take some action if that's something you really need. A lot of these are free, so definitely should be no excuse. All right, have a good one. Bye.